Roofing news for April 26, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and I go through hundreds of videos and articles so that you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to smash that subscribe button. And I always put the links below the video so you can watch the full video and article. And the Nail Gun Depot, I got this email. They have a new nailer. It's for joist hanger, but I thought I would mention it to you. It's been 4 years in the works, and it's at $249. There's a new channel. It just came out a few weeks ago, and they've just uploaded a bunch of installation videos. It comes from Pack Clad Peterson. They have some nice looking metal roofs. So if you want to venture into metal roofs, or you're already in it, you can take a look at their products. And Dimitri always has great content. This is on warranty. He talks about the kind of the history of the warranty, why the 50-year warranty came in, basically to compete with metal roofs. But he goes through all the objections and things to look out for, and the fine print of warranty. So great video to watch. Jordan Smith with Matt Rissinger did a tour of this cool lumber mill, where you can consider OSB in comparison to plywood. So definitely worth watching if you like that kind of thing, engineering, and if you ever. And he talks about why OSB is a great product in the manufacturing of it. It's not always a cheap thing. And Becca Switzer, she's always great to inspire you. There's a great video of a roofer who turned his sales around with her program. And of course, I'll link to her course. You definitely want to take a look at that. And another roofing scandal, Merrimack Roofing Company ordered to pay restitution over deposits. So, a little info for your customers you can do. And if you ever want to get into green roofs, here's a cool article. Green Roof Energy Sierra, cooler than cool roofs. They have some cool visuals. So take a look at that. And this news is brought to you by the Roofing Webmasters. Make sure to click my video, Why Every Roofer Needs the Roofing Webmasters. It's a 10-minute video, and it's definitely worth your time. Check it out. And give me a call or text 303-519-6353. So that is the roofing news for April 26, 2019. And remember, hit that subscribe button. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.